What is machine learning? Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. What is machine learning? Introduction. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence (AI). Machine learning algorithms instead allow for computers to train on data inputs and use statistical analysis in order to output values that fall within a specific range. Because of this, machine learning facilitates computer in building models from sample data in order to automate decision-making processes based on data inputs. What are three types of machine learning? Broadly speaking, machine learning algorithms are of three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. What are the examples of machine learning? Number 1. Recommendation engines, Netflix. Number 2. Sorting, tagging and categorizing photos, Yelp. Number 3. Self-driving cars, Waymo. Number 4. Education, Duolingo. Number 5. Customer lifetime value, ASOS. Number 6. Patient sickness predictions, Kinshi. Number 7. Targeted emails, Optamail. What field is machine learning? Machine learning is built on the field of mathematics and computer science. Specifically, machine learning methods are best described using linear and matrix algebra and their behaviors and best understood using the tools of probability and statistics. How do you classify machine learning? The most common classification problems are speech recognition, face detection, handwriting recognition, document classification, etc. Who uses machine learning? Financial services. Banks and other businesses in the financial industry use machine learning technology for two key purposes. Number 1. To identify important insights in data and prevent fraud. Number 2. The insights can identify investment opportunities to help investors know when to trade. Where is machine learning used today? Currently, machine learning has been used in multiple fields and industries. For example, medical diagnosis, image processing, prediction, classification, learning association, regression, etc. What are the risks of machine learning? Risk 1. Poor problem solution alignment. Defining the minimal viable product (MVP). Risk 2. Incurring excessive costs. The difficulty of planning to build one machine learning system. CACA study. Machine learning for code analysis. Increasing cost awareness. Risk 3. Unexpected behavior and unintended consequences. What is the aim of machine learning? Machine learning for business. The purpose of machine learning is to discover patterns in your data and then make predictions based on often complex patterns to answer business questions, detect and analyze trends and help solve problems. Is machine learning a good career? Yes, machine learning is a good career path. According to 2019 report by Andy, machine learning engineer is the top job in terms of salary, growth of postings, and general demand.